To create this beautiful typography text on fruits, create New File by going to File and select New. Set your own name and dimensions and click on OK. Open your file in Photoshop by going to File and clicking on New. Locate your image. Click on it, then click on Open. Using the Move tool, drag the image onto the work path. Resize it to fit the work path. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object for non-destructive edits. Select the Type tool, then set your own color, type, and also the size of the text, then write out your text. Using the Move tool, resize the text over the image. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Edit, Transform, then select Warp. Using the Warp tool, warp the text over the image. Select the image layer then. Right-click and select Duplicate Layer. Then drag the duplicated layer above all layers. Hide the other layer. Then right-click on the top layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Make the layer active, then click on the Layer Mask icon. Then click Ctrl+I to invert it. Select the Brush tool. Then using the Brush tool, paint over the areas back. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.